In this video, we will see how we can delete the workspace in Remix Ethereum ID. So here it is, we have created two workspaces. Now let's click on one of them. I have selected Remix ID demo. Now let's press this button, delete. Here, delete current workspace. Are you sure to delete the current workspace? Press OK. Here it is, it's deleted. Now let's delete the second one. Here, click on delete. It's prompts you a message. Are you sure to delete the current workspace? Press OK. Here it is. So we have deleted all the workspaces that we have created. So that's way, that is the way how we can delete the workspace in Remix ID.